What's going on here? 625 and I'm here with another video, bro. Y'all see what the fuck I got going on, man. Y'all see what the fuck I got going on, man. Another location. We rolled out, bro. I need to bring a cameraman. Hey, y'all comment, bro. Who trying to be my cameraman, bro? Like, real shit, bro. We are in the city of Mexico, of course. I'm finna start doing some bullshit. You just get here? You just now get here? Why you laughing? Yeah. I'll go ahead and check out the cars, man. They got a little bit of everything out, man. Super out. What's in? Oh yeah. Some slight. We outside, man. We outside. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got some more shit coming for y'all, bro. Y'all boys, we going crazy on that motherfucker. I ain't even gonna cap, man. We got everybody out in that motherfucker. Everybody talking about they finna do some food shit. So y'all stay tuned, bro. Look. I said it again. He said it on this end like a tax break. Boom. He said, up, time to go. Hey, bro, what you got done to it, bro? Just intake, that's it?
Yeah, he gonna keep it light.
Yeah. Okay, shit. Y'all look at it, bro. Look at it.